If a British person writes to you saying the weather is a bit fresh, do you know what they actually mean? It's dangerously cold. Or if a weather report promises bright spells, why should you still pack an umbrella? Welcome to the Correct English series. Today we aren't just talking about the rain. We are learning to read the hidden signals in British English. So by the end of this 3-minute lesson, you'll be able to decode a UK forecast and write about the weather like a true local. When reading British weather updates, the most important skill is identifying understatement. Brits rarely write that the weather will be bad. Instead, look for phrases like unsettled conditions or changeable. In the UK, unpredictable is the only thing you can count on. When you see these words in a text or email, it's a social code telling you to prepare for anything. To write correct English, you must use the weather to set the mood. And here are 4 phrases for your daily writing. First one, chucking it down. Use this in casual text. I'm running late. It's chucking it down. And second one, a bit miserable. The perfect way to start a friendly email. Miserable weather today, isn't it? Number 3, the sun is trying to come out. Use this in writing to show British optimism even when it's grey. And number 4, weather permitting, a vital formal phrase for invitations. We will have the meeting in the garden, weather permitting. Try writing one of these in a comment or an email today. As you know, writing is only half the battle. If you want to hear how these phrases sound in real conversation, you must watch last weekend's episode titled How to Talk Like a Brit, the Weather Masterclass. It will help you master the listen and speak model to match today's lesson. And remember, I offer private coaching for individuals and small groups to help you master these social codes. Check the link below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn British English with Deacon Regal. Cheers.